Smile, welcome to this wonderful fifth day of this celebration. But as Professor Park Jae-woo said, that each day is celebration, each day is birthday. He composed one beautiful song, Smile Birthday Song. And then when he introduced that song, it was not just for celebrating uh, individual birthday, but actually it was celebration every moment because in our body, you see, inside and outside, there is, you will see creation happening every moment. In our body, many cells, yes, they take birth, they die, and then again they take birth. So this is creation happening every day. So we have to celebrate each day with smile. Today I want to tell you one thing. You know why smile meditation became topmost priority as per Professor Park Chevu? Because now you understand. I can explain you because now you have this consciousness, you can understand. Because we are soul, mind, body, life. But when we say that we are soul, mind, body, life, it is not just one soul or one mind. It is composed of many local mind coming together and it creates one mind. Yes. So in our body, we have millions and billions of cells. And each cell has soul, mind, body, and life. Okay. So now, please understand this. When single cell, new cell takes birth today, for example, now, if cell is taking birth now, then this is baby cell. This is newly born baby cell. And this cell's mind is very pure, smiling mind. This cell has come from zero world because this is not in your hand. Anything which is not in your hand, it is directly under his world. Yes. So this cell now, you know the age of your skin, age of your blood cells. So these cells are taking birth and after few days they die and then again they take birth. So this is how creation is happening every moment in our body. So let us understand that why smile is so important. When we have disease, okay, then it means, as Professor Park Jae-woo used to say, if your stomach is suffering from disease, it means stomach is not smiling. How can you say that stomach is not smiling? Because stomach also has mind. And when we talk about emotions, emotions are part of mind. Emotions, reasons, spirit, intentions, all are part of mind. And cell is living being. Yes. So anything you say living being, it means it should have soul, mind, body, and life. So emotions are part of mind. Then this stomach cell's mind is not smiling. That is why today stomach has ulcers or stomach has gas. Yes. Or large intestine mind or heart mind or brain mind, like this. So now what happens? Yes, because new cells are taking birth after a few days. Now when this new mind comes in our body, this is very pure, but under this mastermind, because this mastermind says, I have ulcer, I have this disease, I have cancer, I have diabetes, then this mastermind, as if, you know, under the umbrella of this mastermind, this baby innocent mind, this baby mind of liver or baby mind of large intestine, then this gets information from mastermind that I have disease. And this pure mind didn't have disease when this mind cell came now, took birth now. As a result all the time we are thinking, because we are eating medicines and we have this consciousness that my knee is paining, that, and we are all the time talking about our diseases. Then this small baby cell, this cell has taken birth today, has come with pure mind, and this pure mind receives the information that I am sick, I am sick. And then this baby mind also starts thinking the same thing, I am sick, I am sick. As a result, this disease, new mind also receives the disease. That is why disease never leaves your body, never leaves your body. So then Professor Park Jewu said, mind meditation, body meditation, life meditation. So mind meditation, either you do body smile meditation or you do mind smile meditation. Only purpose is to bring your mind and body aligned. If you are smiling now in this present moment, please understand you are blessing some cell's mind. You have to love all your cells. Millions and billions of cells are dancing inside you. Each moment that cell is taking birth. So when you are smiling, this present moment smile is nourishing some cell's mind. And that is why miracles happen. If you're smiling now, you will see the result. Sometimes you don't believe, but then in coming time, you will understand. Since many years, yes, since childhood until now, we have passed many situations in our life, and that is why many emotions coming up and down. Then what happens? Yes, so heavy emotions. And yesterday we spoke about frequencies, vibrations. Yes, so now so heavy vibrations. To overcome these kinds of heavy vibrations, we have to produce heavy smile, or we have to do hard work. Don't underestimate the power of your smile. It can change your life. It really can change your life. And I always told you, since 5 days, I'm speaking the same thing, that if Professor Park Chewu's Sujok discovery can create many miracles in this wonderful world, many people are experiencing many miracles, then what about his next discovery? What about his this triorigin and smile meditation? Do you see this logo, smile logo? This smile logo is also created by Professor Park Jae-woo. Today, when you open Google, you will see many types of smile logo, but this is different. This is totally different. This smile, you see, here, eyes are expressing smile, nose is expressing smile, lips are expressing smile, this whole face is expressing smile. This face as if like sun expressing smile, and the rays of this face is radiating, not giving light to its own self, but also to all world, whole world. So this smile is very special smile. We have to generate this kind of smile. And then I'm talking about physical world. Okay, there is lot of deep meaning when we go about, when we think about soul smile, mind smile, body smile, life smile. Yes, I know that you are waiting to know all those technical formulas. We have to study disease, how to treat. Of course, yes, I will introduce those things. But then we should not separate smile from our healing. Smile, this lip smile, now I'm talking about physical aspect. This is again this picture created by Professor Park Jae-woo. Your each part of your lip is corresponding to some part of brain. Please understand this. You see, left upper lip is corresponding to left hemisphere of the cortex, and then right upper lip, right hemisphere of the cortex, midbrain, and left lower lip, left cerebral hemisphere, right lower lip, right cerebral hemisphere. And then also in your brain, we have frontal lobe, occipital lobe, temporal lobe, parietal lobe. All these parts are connected. Some, there is, as I told you, that our body has several correspondence system, many correspondence system. Your lip has very special connection with the brain. And when you are smiling, actually you are blessing your brain. If your nervous system becomes strong, see, this lip has connection with your nervous system, with your brain. And when you are smiling, and if it becomes habit, then very naturally, you know, when you see this picture, you will understand that with the help of this smile, every moment you are blessing your brain. And when you bless your brain, it means you are giving power to brain. And then when brain is strong, then it means your nervous system is strong. When your nervous system becomes strong, then it can face any challenge of this life. There are so many ups and downs, and then your nervous system becomes very strong, very strong. This is the beauty of your physical smile. Of course, yes, we have internal smile also, but as a beginner, if we start our journey just with lip smile, we can do wonders and we can create miracles within ourselves. So that is why, if now you are not smiling in this moment, please smile now. And then we spoke that disease is some kind of frequency. This is very lower kind of frequency. If we have diabetes, skin psoriasis, or migraine, or heart disease, cholesterol, blockage, liver disease, stomach disease, spine disease, joints pain, I'm taking all these names specially because we have to understand that all these diseases are lower frequency. And very simple. If you understand, then you are responsible. And then you will take your charge and you will help yourself naturally. So, to fight with this disease, we are taking, yes, we are taking medicines, we are taking treatment. Okay, everything is okay. But then it should not come back again. For this, we have to create high level of frequency. Hello, Mike? No audio?
We can hear you, madam.
Okay, madam. Everything is okay.
Okay, thank you. So we have to create high level of frequency. And that is why Professor Park Jae-woo introduced 4 kinds of smile. Yes, soul smile. And this smile is, you receive this smile in mother's womb. Yes, soul smile, mind smile, body smile, and life smile. 4 kinds of smile. When these 4 smiles are aligned, then, you know, I then divine medicine or very powerful medicine is released in your body, and this medicine can fight any kind of disease, whether it is cancer or difficult disease or immune system or autoimmune system, any kind of disease. Because if your these 4 smiles are aligned, and you see this kind of smile, and when Professor Park Jae-woo introduced body smile meditation, under this umbrella he introduced smile tai chi, twist gymnastic, smile dance. You have to express smile, you have to express your perfection, you have to express your smile and bliss. You see, when your pet dog, or when this dog is very happy, this dog is moving his tail. Yes. So same way, rhythmically, if your body moves and expresses your happiness, this is called body smile. Whenever you get opportunity to dance, to do exercise, only thing is do exercise or yoga or twist gymnastic with the awareness of smile, with lip smile, with eye smile, with nose smile. Yes, many people are doing yoga every day. They are going for a walk, they are doing exercises, but just exercises not enough. We need to add smile with each posture, and then this becomes smiling posture, and then this activates body smile. Now, what happens? Yes, so don't worry. After this discussion, I'm discussing many diseases, but then I have to introduce this again. This is also Professor Park Jae-woo's greatest message, and I should deliver this message when we are celebrating his birth anniversary. So now we have different kinds of people on the earth. Yes, some people can touch the grand perfection with the help of mind smile, and some people can touch grand perfection with the help of body smile. You know, some people, dancers, yes, they can dance, and or they can do tai chi. They can touch, they can go, their consciousness can ascend, they can go high, but all people, many people are dancing, they are not achieving self perfection. Bollywood, Hollywood, and many shows, they are dancing, but they are not aware of their internal smile, internal bliss. Only thing is they are doing show off. Their smile is just a symbol of show off, and they are dancing to, get name, fame, money, and their inner journey. They are not focusing their inner journey. So when you dance, I'm talking about body smile. When you dance, and with this realization, with this deep understanding of smile, yes, and bliss, just for yourself, just for yourself, not to impress anyone. So sometimes in room you can just put on music and you can dance and forget the world left and right, and you will find this kind of dancing, this itself is smile meditation. So some people can reach grand perfection through body smile. We have different types of people on this earth. For example, if we have to conduct smile meditation for children, for college going children or school going children, how you will conduct? They don't know what is soul smile meditation, and they will not understand your very beautiful higher level of, that consciousness, and when you are speaking very high. No, our purpose is not just words, not just words. These are four gates, and Professor Park Jae-woo has given beautiful four gates. You choose any one, and you help the society, you help the group to reach the grand perfection. So body smile. So children, for children, you can introduce this kind of smile meditation. Yes, body smile with music, with dance, and creating happiness, and creating some jokes, some, you are touching their mind smile. There are so many ways, though they are tools. They all are tools. Finally, these tools will naturally lead to inner wisdom, will naturally lead to inner calmness. We are using these tools, and then naturally your consciousness can slip to great deep inner calmness very naturally. And we are not telling children that do smile meditation, do this meditation. No, if you say meditation, they are not coming. But you understand this fact, and when you are, yes, handling your family, you know how to handle now. This meditation, naturally you have to adopt, and you have to create such a kind of atmosphere in your home that your daughter, your son, yes, they should smile. Yes, and this is how, drop by drop, drop by drop, you are motivating them towards smile journey without using this word meditation. Meditation is not just closing eyes. Yes, meditation is each cell. If you sense smile, yes, mind, body, soul, life, naturally you are aligned with the higher level of consciousness. Then what about soul? Yes, what about soul? Very easy. Professor Park Jevu made this subject so easy. Yes, so I introduce body smile before we go to soul smile. Let us talk about mind smile. Some people, they don't like dancing, no problem, but they can, with their imagination, you can tell them some story or you can guide them. No voice. Voice is interrupting.
We, we can hear you clearly, madam.
Clearly? Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. Maybe some participants, they said that voice is interrupted or not. Anyway, if you can hear, then it's okay. So
No,
mind smile.
sound is very clear. No problem. No disturbances. Nothing.
Thank you. So mind smile is like, yes, if you think with the help of imagination, or when you hear music, yes, or you hear good news, and very naturally your mind smile is coming. You're very happy. Without dancing, smile comes. When you hear good news, that is why Professor Park Jevu introduced all these tools. Whatever tool is good for you, just pick up that tool. And then sometimes when you hear music, some people start dancing, but some people, they start enjoying in their mind. But when one smile is activated correctly, if body smile is activated correctly, then very naturally mind smile will join. And if mind smile is activated correctly, body will start dancing. For example, if you don't have habit to dance, but if some music which is very close to your heart and very beautiful, wonderful music, if you hear, and in marriages or in some parties, if you hear some good music, yes, and first you enjoy in your mind, and then very naturally you start tapping. Then very naturally, you see, you started your journey with mind smile, and then body joined. You pick up anything. Yes, either you start your meditation with body smile, or you start with mind smile. Then, where is soul smile? How to understand soul smile? Don't worry. Don't worry, the soul smile will naturally bloom when your body and mind is aligned. When your body and mind both are aligned, then very naturally this soul smile blooms. You see this picture? Body smile, mind smile. When you're happy, when your mind is happy, your body starts dancing. Or when your body is doing natural rhythmic movement, not just dancing. Just understand one thing. It is not just dancing. Movement very naturally, rhythmically, with the awareness of your inner smile, with the awareness of your inner that smile. And when it is this is aligned, very slowly inner soul smile will appear on your lips. Yes, and in that time, when you are aware, okay, when you are aware, then soul smile will happen. Soul smile will come. If mind and body smile are aligned, then soul smile and then soul smile, as I told you, I want to tell you this one thing. In Professor Park Jevu's seminar, in his class, in his seminar, when he was, conducting smile meditation, he used to play good music, sometimes, slow music, sometimes dancing music, and he used to say dance and dance with smile. Sometimes people were dancing very, actively, sometimes slow movement. I understand that, mind is very naughty. Please understand this. Mind is very, very naughty. Yes, mind is hetero. You understood yesterday that mind is hetero. Mind is going here and there. If mind stays with you, if mind stays in present moment, this is now. Yes, mind is never in present moment. Either mind is in the past or mind is in present, in future, past or future, but never in present. That is why disease comes. That is why disharmony comes. So what to do? What to do so that mind should come and stay in your body, or it should stay with your body, okay? And it can experience the bliss of present moment. So, how Professor Park Jevu explained this, then do some activity to attract mind. Mind is hetero and mind likes activity. Mind likes hetero movement. So when your body is dancing, when your body is very active and doing this movement, then mind is looking, oh, this body is very active. This body is very naughty like me, very, very active. Yes. So mind then, instead of going here and there, and then come back to mind, come back to present moment. And then when mind and body are aligned in this present moment, yes, very beautiful. This is again beautiful calmness, blissful calmness. You are dancing, your mind is here, your body is here. Your mind is not going in the kitchen, your mind is not going in the market in America or in your friend's home, because your body is dancing. You will understand now. You also have experienced, but now in next time, whenever you are dancing, please understand this point. Yes. So how? And become observer and look from top. So mind is aligned with the body because of your this movement. Mind is hetero. Mind likes this movement very much. So, this body is homo. This male and female, like male and female relation. So this female is doing wonderful movements to attract male. So male comes and stay with homo. Hetero comes and stay with homo. And with this alignment, when mind and body particles, because body is from physical world particles and mind is from metaphysical world particles, and when these two particles are aligned, then very naturally this beautiful environment, this rhythmic environment, because this is rhythm, this creates beautiful rhythm in our mind and body. And when our mind and body achieves, touches this beautiful rhythm, natural rhythm, universal rhythm, soul particles are activated, soul wave is activated. And when you become, this way, then naturally your mind smile and body smile. Then next higher stages, smile appears. This is soul smile in this rhythmic environment, very naturally. You don't need to invite soul smile, or you don't need to focus soul. Where is soul? When you are like in a samadhi state, you are just dancing and you are, this is soul smile appears. And when soul smile appears, yes, soul smile appears, and then your body movements become very slow, very slow, as if you are a bliss and maybe you want to lie down or you want to stand in some place and you want to just enjoy. And this, after this awareness, you will understand that my soul has come. This is soul wave. Soul don't express or don't expect soul in some shape. Soul doesn't have any shape, no body, no nothing. Soul is invisible. Don't try to see also. Don't try to touch. Where is soul? Soul, you have to experience the wave of bliss, the wave of peace, which touches your nervous system, your each organ. Then you can understand this is soul wave. And once this soul wave is activated, now understand this. Another important point. When this is part of your daily routine, this kind of meditation, and it doesn't mean that you have to do dance. If you understand this formula, I'm giving you formula. So in everyday routine, whether you are going for a walk or you are working in a kitchen or you are doing any household work, your body is moving rhythmically with some music. And artists are doing like this. How artists are creating new pictures? Because their mind particles and body particles are merged. All artists, you will see their soul is very well developed, because when they are with their works, any kind of work, whether it can be cooking also or knitting or this, when your mind and body align, new ideas come, new talents come. And it is not just soul smile. If you are practicing this kind of meditation, then you will understand that, because soul is part of him. Please understand this. Soul is, one gate is this side and the other gate is that side, his world, towards his world. So soul is like a tunnel. Half side is here and half is towards him. Then when soul is activated, as because soul is part of him, then all beauties, all talents, all good health, and all discoveries is coming inside you, in your mind particle world, through this soul gate. Any new thing, any beautiful new idea coming in your mind, actually you are many times in soul state, many times, but you don't understand. Any beautiful things you are creating, even small, don't expect that you can create like or discover like Einstein. Sometimes simple small new thing which is helping you and helping others is coming from his gate, his world. So smile meditation finally touches the his wisdom. Via calmness, via calmness, you are opening his gate. So many beauties come in your life. That is why don't underestimate the power of your smile. Never, never estimate. And then last thing, because I want to say many things, but then I want to leave this important message so that you can uh, change, yes, your lifestyle, and then do your face yoga. Even if you don't have any happy situation, doesn't matter. You can invite beautiful, beautiful, happy situations in your life with the awareness. If you start smiling even in the darkest of your situations, then you will see great miracles. And then again, Professor Parjevu did one more beautiful discovery, and this face is very beautiful area of your body. When your eyes are smiling, yes, try it. you know Try when you're doing smile meditation or in your daily routine, try to bring smile in your eyes. Yes, your eyes are full of love. That is why seeing someone's eye, you can understand that he or she is looking with love or with anger or with hatred. Yes, eyes are speaking a lot, not only lips. So if your eyes start conveying smile, then you know what will happen in that condition? Your eyes smile is giving power to your endocrine system, your nervous system. Eyes smile. Again, I'm talking about metaphysical world, and also I'm talking about physical world. Now this is again physical world. So if you succeed in bringing correct smile, yes, in your eyes, then your endocrine system will become very healthy, very healthy. Your eyes will become very good vision, and your mental level, your emotions, your reasons, your spirit, your intention will become very beautiful. You see the eyes of God and Goddess, you see the eyes of saints, you see the eyes are speaking a lot. Sometimes people are smiling, but their eyes are not smiling. So is that is why smiling face has big meaning, not just lip smile. And when your nose is smiling, how do you understand nose smile? Of course, yes. If your complete face is smiling, all particles of face are smiling, then nose smile. Nose smile is not, your nose doesn't have lips, no problem, but the particles, that consciousness, because nose also has soul, nose has local soul, nose has local mind, nose has local body, and nose has local life. So if your nose is smiling, yes, then your respiratory system and your circulatory system becomes very strong. Wait, that is why in your smile meditation, your full face should be over flooded with smile. Your circulatory system, respiratory system becomes very strong. Your heart, your lung, yes, arteries, veins, trachea, your nose, windpipe, and when your mouth is smiling, before mouth, when your ear is smiling, yes, ear smiling, this headquarter, yes, just start with your this mind smile, and then you see this starts flowing in your sense organs, complete head smiling. That is why when you are smiling, don't be satisfied with your just lips smile. Just feel behind the ear metaphysical smile on the level of your ears. If you can touch this ear smile, yes, then your immune system will become very strong. Your muscles, your bones, skin, and energy system, ears have connection with these components. And when you are smiling with your mouth, and all this is body smile, yes, when your lip corners are going up, it is just body smile. But behind this, with the awareness of smile, inside, you know that why you are smiling, you have a purpose, yes, you have grace, you have love, you have compassion, you have peace. So with this awareness, when you expand, when you smile, your lips are smiling, then your digestive system is becoming very healthy. Yes. And then your immune system here also, immune system, your reproductive system, your excretory system becomes very healthy. And then overall, when your full complete headquarter is smiling, and from this level, this is headquarter, yes, then complete headquarter is smiling, then you can understand this is like a shower, rain, and lots of smile particles falling in every part of your body. And in this condition, yes, once you touch this condition, then after physical, of after the perfection of this physical smile. Yes, physical smile, when you reach, your face reaches grand perfection, your eyes, your nose, your ears reaches grand perfection of smile. And then I told you, either your body smile, mind will join you, or your mind smile, body will join you. So this physical smile, definitely metaphysical smile will join you, and then very naturally soul smile will join. So this is very big subject. Even if we speak 1 year, every date is not finishing, but I'm giving you headlines. And if you understand this, then you will never waste time. Never waste time. And each moment is an opportunity, yes, to create wonders in yourself. And sometimes you will not see, you will not see the result now, but this will never go waste. Never go waste. Okay? So smile now. Smile now. But this smile is not just lip corner going up. This is deep realization. This is very deep realization, because he created, the creator created uh, you with smile and love. He is inside you. His great force, his great power is inside you, and to receive gifts from his world, from his heavenly kingdom, you have to raise yourself high. You have, you have to reach grand perfection of mind smile and body smile, so that your mind particles and body particles can ascend and can enter his territory. Yes. And when your mind particles, body particles are aligned, very naturally, you are in his world. That is why in, you know, in Hindi we say that smile की नहीं जाती है, smile हो जाती है. प्यार किया नहीं जाता है, प्यार हो जाता है. Naturally smile happens, naturally smile. And this moment when naturally smile comes, then your life is changing. Not only your physical body is changing, everything is changing. Your aura is changing, your life is changing, and the situation around you changing. Yes, your all finance problems solved, all relationship problems solved. Very, because this universe is full of particles, and all particles are vibrating, and you become like an antenna. Yes, you know antenna. So your antenna is attracting all smiling situations from this universe. As Professor Park Jewu gave last message, that when your consciousness is upgraded, he changes your role. As per the level of our consciousness, we receive certain kind of role. If you are not happy with your present life, if you are unsatisfied in some field, it means we have to do great effort to change our role. He is like a director, and he is all the time looking you, all the time looking you as per your level of consciousness. If you have sadness consciousness, if you have anger consciousness, yes, then he is giving you exact role which is suitable to you. If you are a director, for example, if you are a director, yes, and if you are making movie, and if you want villain character, yes, because director is looking everyone who is good for this villain role, and who is good for this funny role, who is good for smiling role, and he is looking. Same way, universal director is looking. And as per the level of your consciousness, if you want smiling role in your life, smile more. If you want sad role in your life, then cry more. And if you want any kind of role, just behave like this. So he is operator, he is the creator, he is the director, and every moment in all your actions and reactions, he is always looking you, always looking you. So finally, now you have to decide. If you want new role, do something new. What to do? Just simple smile with the awareness. Yes, with the awareness. And when with awareness you are smiling, naturally all negative emotions will go. Naturally, your his intelligence will come, and you will do all beautiful works in this wonderful world. Yes. So this is most important message, because we are celebrating Professor Park Jae-woo's birth anniversary, and this is the most wonderful. And I received from him. Nothing belongs to me. Nothing belongs to me. All this message belongs to him. So now I just want to understand. I want to know: are you smiling now? But I'm not talking about social smile. This is inner smile, realization, deep realization to help ourselves to stand. We have to become very strong, very, very healthy. Then only we can help many people on this earth. Yes, if you are good healer, good smiling healer, you have good knowledge but not smiling, then you cannot help other. Then in later stages, in old stage, you will become sick. You will become tired. Yes, also in your life you experience when you're treating many patients, you become tired. Why you are becoming tired? Because our self container is not full, not full. Yes. So now I want to ask this question: are you smiling? And not, I'm not talking about lip smile, this smile. Really, are you smiling? And do you really want to change your present role? Even if you have very good role now, again we need another role. There is always steps, there is always a ladder, and we can have another high upgraded role, because he is watching you as per your reactions and actions, how you talk, how you walk, how you behave, how you think. Yes, and how your body is moving, how your mind is moving. All this is creating some kind of consciousness. And then, as per the level of your consciousness, he will change your role, or he will give you new role. Okay. So now I'm looking chat box. Are you smiling? Yes. Very good. Very good. Okay. Very good. Okay. Good, good, good. Smiling. Good. So very few people wrote in chat box. Okay. Good, good. Okay. So now we will focus our next subject. Yes, next subject.